Hello everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 7-year-old. She just turned 7-year-old, so it's a beginner 7-year-old. And this busy book is challenging questions. So they're advanced level questions for the concepts of weight measurement, doing the place value concept. Again, it is advanced place value concept that we are dealing with big numbers here, and some critical thinking puzzles. So you can say it's more of maths kind of busy book. So I'll go by step and show you how are we doing these ones. Again, these are challenging ones. I don't expect her to do them all by themselves, but it's good to create these concepts. So first is a weight measurement. I have shown a weighing balance. The weight of these two is equal to 10 balls. So what is the weight of one ball? So it's equal to 5 units, right? Because it's half. What will the weight of 3 of them? So it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. But both of these answers is not given here. These answers have to be derived. So we are doing here multiplication or division. You can say that, but it's more of a thinking in the terms of weight, that if two things weigh equal to 10, then what will one thing weigh? So again, all thinking, and let's see what she does with that. Now going to the second topic, where we are doing place value. So we have done place value concept, challenging place value concept in other busy books already. But again, going another level advanced in terms of thousands and hundreds. Big numbers scares my kids out because we don't see these big numbers around. We don't deal with them. So there's a mental blockage in her mind that 1,000 is such a big number. But yeah, with the place value, we are trying to do it again. So first is, it's pretty simple. Just 1,225. How will you write it? 1225. 110 plus 2 ones and 100. So I just swapped it. I should have written 100 first and 10 and then ones, but I just wanted to confuse it. If assumingly there are 3 numbers, how will you do it? So she cannot just place the 100 first and like that sequence. Confusing. Now we are going to complicate it once. 100 plus 20 tens. 20 tens is 200 plus 231s. So it's basically 100 plus 200 plus 230. So three digit number she needs to add. Here 20 plus 40 tens plus 20 ones. What does exactly mean? 20 means 2000 plus 40 tens plus 400 plus 20. So if you see, numbers are very easy. I mean, like if you just talk in terms of numbers, they're easy. But if you have to think in a place value, and first from the place value find the number itself, it's a one additional step which they have to do in their mind. So it makes things a little challenging for them. Here is a critical thinking question. So here is a box in which we have to fill, and there is a clue. So there are a big dog, a big cat, there is a small dog, and there is a small cat. They are running a race, and they have these positions. One came first, one came second, one came third, one came fourth. The question is, how will we know who got which position? And for this question, I have given her 2 clues. First clue, a cat was first and third. So we have 2 cats, one small and one big. But we know that cat can be first and third, and the dogs are second and fourth. Okay. Now, a little dog finished before little cat and the big dog. So can you infer with it? Okay. Either there's 2 ways to do. Either do in your mind and do all the calculations, or for what the way I'll teach my little girl is that now this cat cannot be second and fourth. So I'll cross second and fourth place for cat. But now I know these 2 places are not for her, and but if they are first and third, then for the dog also they get cancelled, right? For the dog, first and third are cancelled, right? So the little dog also, these 2 are cancelled. Little dog finished before little cat. Okay, so either the little dog would finish here or could finish here. But little dog finished before little cat. So he cannot be fourth because he finished before. So it means little dog was second and the big dog was this one. But now he finished before the little cat. So it means little cat was here. So little cat got third, the little dog got second, and accordingly those positions. So hope I explained it correctly. So that's how is a, so I'll explain her that, you know, whatever you infer from here, start marking here. That's why it's elaborate given, and then figure out, can you derive the answer. So these are pretty challenging for my 7-year-old, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, it's fun to do these kind of challenging questions at a time. So hope you enjoyed the same. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.